Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to review your text in MS Excel. So let's go in MS Excel workbook and we'll write down one word, which is commission. Now you go in review, activate the spell check. So it has given me the suggestion that probably your spelling is wrong. Do you want to ignore it once, ignore every time, or you want to change it? So when you will press change, it will only change one time. But if you change all, your the corrections will be made in the entire workbook. So press change, done, click OK. Now we will write the next thing, which is, let's say, is command. Right here, command. So the feature of spell check we already done. Now let's see what thesaurus can do for us. Click here, activate your thesaurus. So it gives me the alternative that the command, uh, is it you are you talking about knowledge, are you talking about facility, grasp, expertise, or you are talking about the authority? So if you want to replace it, it's very simple. Just click control and insert. You can see now the command has been replaced with the control. Now there is one more feature in MS Excel, that is a smart lookup. Now click here and activate the smart lookup. So it will give us the entire dictionary. Just see commission, how it is to be pronounced, uh,
Mission.
the sentences, noun, verb, everything it will give. It does not stop here. Let's say we'll write down something, we'll write the country. So America and smart lookup. So on the right hand side, we will get the information about this country. Now let's proceed further. Now I'll activate translate. So the word translator is also available. Now you want to translate this commission into which language? Let's say we want to convert it into Czech. And you can see the conversion has been done. Now if you want the statistics related to the workbook, it's very simple. Click on the workbook statistics and it will give you the end of the sheet, that is where the data is ending, cells with data, how many tables are there, how many formulas are there, how many sheets are there, cells with the data. So it will give the workbook statistics. So this was all about how to review the text in MS Excel. For more videos on MS Excel, please subscribe my channel so that you can refer all the videos in my playlist. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram, link given in the description box.